In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an epic name in Jira. Navigating through Jira can sometimes be a bit daunting, especially if you're new to it or if it's been a while since your last visit. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of renaming an epic, which is one of the essential tasks you might need to carry out while managing your projects. First off, you'll want to start by heading over to your Jira homepage. This is your central hub for all things in Jira, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. From there, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Among the various tabs, locate the one labelled Projects. Click on this tab to be taken to a list of all your available projects. Now, it's time to select the specific project you're working on. Simply click on the name of that project and this will take you to its dedicated space within Jira. Once you're inside your desired project, your next step is to navigate to the Issues section. You'll find this within the project interface, typically located along the top of the screen or within a sub-menu on the main page. Clicking on Issues will display a plethora of tasks, including epics, stories, and other issue types that you're currently managing under this project. Find the epic you need to rename. This involves scrolling through your issues list until you come across the specific epic that needs updating. Selecting the epic opens up its details panel, giving you a more in-depth look at its current status, associated tasks, and other pertinent information. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll notice the epic's name at the top of this details panel. Click directly on the epic's name and you'll see that it becomes editable, signifying that you can change it to whatever you need it to be. Go ahead and type in the new name for your epic. Ensure that it accurately reflects the scope or theme of the tasks encapsulated within this epic, making it as descriptive and clear as possible for anyone else involved in the project. Once you're satisfied with the new name, there's just one more thing to do. Look for the check button near the editable field. Clicking this button will save your changes, effectively renaming the epic within the system. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully renamed an epic in Jira. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your project organized and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials on Jira functionalities. Until next time, happy project managing.